Hi guys, so welcome to day number 2 of Vlogmas, I guess you can call it. I'm just going to call it Vlogmas just for the sake of it. I don't really know what to call it since I don't celebrate Christmas. So if you know the title of this video, I'm decorating for Hanukkah today. So today is technically day number 2 of Hanukkah, but I didn't set my decorations up yet because of work and busyness, but I am going to be setting them up now. And I thought I could show you guys what I'm doing this year. I know I did a video like this last year. Yep. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have all my stuff laid out and getting ready to set it up. So let's get started.
Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather around the table, we'll give you a treat. Said people need to play with the life as we. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night, they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather around the table, we'll give you a treat. Said people need to play with the life as we. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night, they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night, they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hey!
So short and thin, when it is so tired, it drops and then I win. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play. My dreidels always playful, it loves to dance and spin. A happy game of dreidel. Come play now, let's begin. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. The mantle looks nice, the table looks nice. So I'm going to be getting up here and making some food for tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet already, because I would love to have you as a subscriber. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 3. Bye.